Club Junta, building better Africa.
We can choose to be very good orators in this house. Orators like Mark Antony in Julius Caesar, to sugarcoat the 17.5% value-added tax. We can be scientific all we want, but it won't change anything. That the addition of 1% on 16.5 to make it 17.5 is killing Malawians. We are in this house, First Deputy Speaker, sir. We are very privileged. But think of a nurse down in the Gumba area. Think of a nurse in the Kanzimbi village. A teacher, HSA in Area 23. A teacher in Zolozolo and in Zuzu. They are not getting anything. But instead of cushioning them, we are here, First Deputy Speaker, sir, adding pens to already misery that they are going through. First Deputy Speaker, sir, First Deputy Speaker, sir, we are privileged enough as members of Parliament. We are getting salaries. On top of salaries, we are here getting fuel cards. Why can't we consider reducing our salaries for us to make savings that should be channeled to these people? Why can't we concede our fuel cards? Why can't we consider our fuel cards? We are here introducing punitive taxes.
For what?
We are here, First Deputy Speaker, sir. We are here, First Deputy Speaker, sir, putting on punitive taxes on already poor people. But yet we are here crying for the fuel cards.
Yes.
What message are we sending?
Are we not mediocres?
Are we not ashamed of ourselves?
Yes.
Are we not greedy?
Yes.
Why do we complain then? Why do we complain then? When newspapers, when reporters say this is the house of greedy,
Yes. Why?
when we are adding 1% to already high taxes, are we going to reduce our salaries?
Yes.
As a house, are we going to reduce our salaries so that we make savings? So that we make savings, First Deputy Speaker, sir.
Member, consider
Are we going to accept the reduction of our salaries?
You have 5 minutes, my brother.
So that, First Deputy Speaker, sir, so that we make savings, the savings that should be channeled to the economy. We have HSAs. We have HSAs in Chididi, in Nsanje, HSAs in Kalulu, HSAs in Chisamba. The vulnerable poor people are suffering. We want to continue making them to suffer because of our greedy. What kind of MPs are we?
with these remarks.
Are we representing the people or we are representing ourselves?
Yes.
With these few remarks, First Deputy Speaker, sir, the question remains, are we representing the people or we are representing ourselves? With these few remarks,
I reject.
in the name of Jesus Christ.
I agree. I reject. I reject.
In the name of Jesus Christ, sir. I beg Honorable Minister of Finance.
Thank you.
Yes, God.
Thank you.
I reject the bill.
Honour member, the chair has received your